I'm sorry you had to see me like this. Not really the best way to introduce myself. I was hoping to start my story on a lighter note, but I just got caught up with things. And by things, I mean here, on this old cracked table, trying to help you and I make sense of how we got here. Hey, whoa, wrong close-up, buddy. I'm over here. Oh, you didn't expect me to talk, did you? Surprise! I'm the main event. Last name Caine, first name Cole. Oh, stop. You've heard of me. White lightning, snow. That sweet, powdery magic that make people feel like gods for about, 20 minutes. They say I'm one hell of a drug. And let's be honest, Rick James won't wrong. Well, you and me, and maybe him if he's up for it, got some history to go over. And baby, this ride's got more twists than a soap opera on speed. Sit tight, folks. It's gonna get wild educational. It all started here in the mountains of Colombia, Peru, Bolivia. Yup, it's the leaves of the coca plant that made me famous. They chew on me in leaf form to get a lift, keep their stamina, fend off hunger. Just pure, raw coca leaf. Nice and gentle. They won't exactly throwing parties with me. They was just using me to get through the day. Little did they know, I had a much wilder future ahead. Then some guy said, what if we could take all that good energy and kick it up a notch? Then bam! Chemistry happened. And then along comes this German chemist named Albert Niemann in 1859. What if we isolated all that sweet alkaloid energy and made it into pure white powder? And just like that, boom! That's where I was birthed into spotlight, honey. Back in the 19th century, people believed my magic alkaloid could be used for multiple medicinal purposes. But spoiler alert, they didn't know how addictive I could be. They didn't know I was a top-notch hijacker of your brain's reward system, making you feel like $1 million every single time. It's like pressing that pleasure button over and over again until you're hooked. But hey, doctors could not stop gassing me up. Like, don't even get me started on Freud. Yeah, the Sigmund Freud. Just a few decades later, he became my biggest hype man, calling me a miracle cure. Freud thought I was the best thing since sliced bread. Or rather, the best thing since ego psychology. Backaches, depression, tiredness. He thought I could fix it all. The man practically proposed to me. But oh man, little did he know I had commitment issues. The 80s, my golden era. I was the king of the clubs, parties, and the star of every story. You know those really nice guys in Scarface, especially that handsome lad, Tony. Yeah, that cute, say hello to my little friend scene, that was about me. I made people feel invincible until they weren't. But hey, I'm not responsible for their bad decisions. They just couldn't handle all this energy. But here's where things get tricky. What goes up must come down. Just like Tony, users thought they could control me. Spoiler alert, they couldn't. And then the feds got all serious about me. DEA. Ha! They tried to shut me down, declaring their war on drugs. Just when they think they've nailed me down, I pop back up like your worst ex-baddie. Now look, I'll admit I'm not all fun and game. I've wrecked some lives, broken families. It's like Dave Chappelle said, cocaine's a hell of a drug. But trust me, it's not just the addicts. Politicians, CEOs, they all love me. I've even messed with entire countries. Narcos, yeah, I've got a Netflix show. I'm famous, baby. Long-term users, oh man, they go from riding high to hitting rock bottom. It's like dating a toxic, abusive boyfriend who makes you feel good for a minute, but then totally wrecks your life. They lose their families, their jobs, their money. I can destroy your body too. Your nose, your heart, your brain, you name it. But people still come crawling back because I make them feel so good. And hey, I'm kind of a disaster for the planet too. The rainforest doesn't stand a chance with me around. You're talking deforestation, pollution. My production process leaves behind toxic chemicals that pollute soil and rivers, killing fish and poisoning water supplies. I mean, what's a little environmental collapse for some weekend fun, right? Those illegal jungle labs, no OSHA guidelines, baby. Plus, it funds cartels and violence. So, yeah, I'm not exactly the eco-friendly choice. I mean, even my carbon footprint is a mess. I'm like that one friend who always shows up at your party, trashes your house, and leaves you with the mess. By the end, the damage is way worse than the fun. But here's the thing. No matter what happens, I always make a comeback. I'm in your music, your movies, your art. People can't seem to quit me. From rappers name-dropping me in every other line, to CEOs sneaking off to the bathroom to freshen up. I'm still in the culture, baby. Sure, some people hate me. Rehab centers make a fortune off me. But in the end, I'm still the life of the party. And guess what? I'm not going anywhere. You think you've seen the worst of me? Oh, honey, I'm just getting started. Now, here's the twist. For all the highs, there's a nasty low that's just around the corner. That dopamine high, that ego boost, that feeling of being invincible. It's a trap. You fall fast, and it takes everything to climb back out. Maybe, just maybe, I'm not worth it. I mean, I look good on the table, but look closer. I'm not your friend. If you're thinking of taking that one hit, take a second to think. You might just end up getting more than you bargained for. You lose everything, chasing a high that only leaves you low. Well, that's it, folks. If you made it this far, you must love a good lesson. If you want more tales from unusual narrators, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below. Peace. Oh, Lord.